What's up, YouTubers? Johnny DIY here. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to change this out, your sway bar link on your Toyota Highlander. If you guys are new to this channel, please consider subscribing and go ahead and click the bell so you can get all my new videos. Alright, let's get to it. First thing we'll do is go ahead and put the emergency brake on good and tight. Then we'll go ahead and chock our back wheels. Go ahead and break loose all of our lug nuts. There we go. Then let's go ahead and jack up both wheels off the front ground and put it up on jack stands. Take the wheel off, and I like to slide it underneath the car for extra protection. There we go. Okay, so here is our sway link right here. There's a nut here and a nut right here. And how this works is we go ahead and put a 19 on the bolt, but then we also got to put an Allen right here to hold it so it doesn't spin. So we'll go ahead and put our Allen key in here. Then we can go ahead and hold the Allen and loosen with our wrench. We'll loosen these up, both the top and bottom one. See how it just spins if you don't have it in there? Okay, now once we've got both removed, this thing just slips right out like this. Alright, so we'll take our new one and we'll match it up, make sure it matches the other one. And these new ones come with these Zerk fittings you gotta screw on. This one's a 10mm. And pet peeve, the nuts right here are different than the last set, so it's one size up. They're 18s. I hate that. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and grease these with my grease gun first. It'll be easier. Just want to put a little in until the boot plumps up, not too much or it'll just ooze out everywhere. There we go. Now you kind of want to orient that Zerk so that you'll be able to grease it once it's on there, so make sure you do that. Now we'll go ahead and slip it in the back. Okay, these new ones don't have the Allen in the middle, but what they do have is a little slot right here. You can put a 18mm on, so you're going to need two, an 18mm on the front one, and then we will tighten this down, tighten it down good and tight. Alright, I got it tightened down. It's kind of awkward to do with the wrench and the ratchet, but it's pretty much all you can do. So I'll go ahead and do the back one now too. Okay, so now let's go ahead and torque these down. They are set to 55 foot-pounds. There we go. I'm not sure if you're going to be able to get a torque wrench on this back one, but if not, just go ahead and tighten it really tight, like 55 pounds. There we go. Alright, now it's always a good idea to go ahead and wipe down your rotors after doing front end work with a clean rag and maybe some alcohol or brake clean. Make sure you get off all the grease on the front and back. Alright, now we can go ahead and put our wheels back on. Put the lugs on, tighten them down. Then once it's down off jack stands, make sure you torque down the lugs real good and tight to spec. And that's it, guys. Alright guys, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you're new, subscribe and click the bell so you can get all my new videos. Alright guys, thanks for watching Johnny DIY. I hope you enjoyed this. Keep on doing yourself. Take care.